in downtown LA today. There you go. I wanted to check out these tagged buildings that are all over the internet everybody's talking about. So I'm here near Crypto.com Arena. Right there. Those are the buildings that are tagged. I'm gonna fly the drone too. That's Crypto.com Arena. I think today it's gonna be packed here, Crypto, because they're gonna unveil Kobe Bryant statue. Yeah, statue. They're gonna put Kobe Bryant statue here in front. You see the buildings in the background? They target them all. I mean, they look cool, to be honest. This is like they gave up on this project anyways. So this is the Lakers stadium. I think today they're gonna, like I said, they're gonna unveil Kobe Bryant statues in the front. So it's gonna be packed with people. Already, you got helicopters flying by. I mean, they closed the whole area. You get the cops flying over this building. So I think they closed the area right there of the stadium because, like I said, today they're building, like they're gonna unveil later on Kobe Bryant statues right here. Let me zoom in. You see how they tagged all these buildings right there? This was like a couple $1 billion project, huh? It's like a plaza. I forget I think it's called Oceanwide Plaza or something like that. They halted the construction because they ran out of money. So it's been like this for years. I believe since 2010. And this is Crypto.com Arena. This is where the Lakers play. I think I'm not gonna go there because they closed the area and stuff like that. I'm gonna fly the drone from here, get a closer shot of those buildings. Let's see. You see everybody's wearing Lakers gear. I have a Lakers hat too. I'm wearing a Lakers hat and a football jersey actually. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Hold on. Okay, let me show you real quick. I'm gonna fly the drone over these. I'm gonna let you see the tag. Yeah, okay. So these are the target buildings right here. I was over there. That's the crypto.com arena right there. They told me not to fly the drone over there. So I came to this other side to get a closer shot.